see from that intro, I am going to be taking part in a collaboration with Mark Ratcliffe. He is a UK artist. He emailed me and asked me if I would be interested in doing a collaboration with him. And I said, absolutely, because you learn things from different artists and you learn some good stuff and you figure out some things that maybe you were doing wrong. So what we agreed to do is just tell some things about each other, and that way we can get an idea of what kind of colors we want to use. So he gave me 3 things about his life. I gave him 3 things about my life and what we grew up with and what we were surrounded by. And so we decided to take those 3 things and come up with a color scheme. So that video is going to be released on July 17th. So I hope that you'll go over and look at his channel and my channel as well. Take a look at that when they are released. I will link Mark's channel down below in the comments section. That way you can go check out his work. All right, guys. All right, so we're gonna jump over to the actual video for today. So I will be right back. Okay, guys, so this is my first attempt to try this bloom technique, which I got from Lori McKinnon with Pizzazz Studios. So it's her formulation, and the paints I'm using, I'll tell you now, are Amsterdam's Prussian Blue, Pebeo Studio Acrylics Violet Blue Iridescent, Pebeo's Iridescent Blue Green, and Deco Art Metallic Sapphire. I used Lori's recipe, which I used Minwax Polyacrylic, and then I used a deep base interior exterior enamel, which I got from Home Depot. I'm also using Color Place. It is a satin and it's a light blue I'm gonna put as the base, and then I will do the colors, and then I'm gonna use titanium white as my cell activator from Amsterdam. I got a cake spinner from Michael's. It does not spin well at all. I did put my level on here. It is, I would say, fairly level. It's not completely. So I think things might shift a little. We'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna pour some of my paint here. Oops. And I'm gonna smooth this out. And this paint is a light blue, which I probably should have used white. So everything I'm doing right now is a pure experiment. I'm gonna pop some air bubbles here. Okay, so the first color I'm going to lay down here is the Prussian Blue. I think a little goes a long way with the colors, but I'm not gonna hopefully use too much. The next color I'm gonna use is the Sapphire Blue. Thickness looks like it's okay. The next I'm going to use Iridescent Blue Green. And then I'm going to use the Violet Blue. Can definitely tell these, this is not level. My paint is shifting. So I'm gonna have to deal with that. This setup isn't probably not best. Cell activator, white. Just a little bit more. Okay. Now, do a little air bubble popping. Now, Lori blows out with her mouth in different directions, so I'm going to do that now. Sorry about my head. Whoops, blew it too hard. Watching the cells kind of pull up. All right, now I'm gonna spin. Maybe I should wait longer, I don't know. I'm gonna spin. Spin back the other way. Yeah, it's not level. I'm gonna put a little bit of paint over here. To help hopefully make it move a little. Touch up the edges. All right, I will bring you in for a close-up. Be right back. I like it. Turned out pretty cool. As you can see, I got some cells there. Got a lot of lacing, it looks like there. Overall, I like it. It's kind of cool. I do like it. What I did is I used 4 different colors. I used Prussian blue, metallic sapphire blue, iridescent blue-green, and iridescent violet blue. And I put them in different orders. So each one, like the first one had Prussian blue, the second one had, first color was sapphire, the third one was the blue-green, and then the fourth one started off with the violet blue. So 4 different coasters. Look like they're all from the same family. This one missed out a little bit on the pink. I'm thinking maybe I didn't put enough down. I don't know. Pretty cool. Let me know what you think. So here is the dried result. These came out amazing. I hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments below. See you next video.